Good morning everyone and good morning Mr. Aji. Today I would like to present you about my research on analysis of Speak Act used by Moana as the main character in movie script entitled Moana. Background of the study. Action performed via utterances are generally called speech act. It means speech act is using utterance to do an action. When people want to supposed to do an action, it's not just use physical movement, but also they can use utterances to do an action. In English, speech act has got specific labels as utterances function, such as promising, asking for help, requesting, commanding, agreeing, disagreeing, and many others. Furthermore, in distinguishing the labels of speech act, speakers should have science and experience to avoid the misinterpreting of utterances included of those labels. Speech act has three types included according to Shirley. There are locutionary act, illocutionary act, and perlocutionary act. Locutionary act is the literal meaning of the utterances. Illocutionary act is the action behind the utterances, and the perlocutionary act is the effect of utterances to hearer. Illocutionary act is one of types of speech that is very elaborate and has got more division than other types. In determining the illocutionary acts of an utterance is called for enough knowledge about its illocutionary act. There are 5 classifications of illocutionary acts by Shirley. As quoted by Levison, Shirley stated that there are 5 basic types illocutionary can perform in speaking. There are representative, directives, commissive, expressive, and declarative. The statement of the problems. The first, what types of illocutionary act used by Moana as one of the main character in Moana movie script? And second, what are perlocutionary act of illocutionary act used by Moana as one of the main character in Moana movie scripts? Objective of the study. Based on the statement of the problem, researchers proposed the objectives. To know what types of illocutionary acts used by Moana as one of the main characterized Moana movie scripts, and then to describe what the perlocutionary act of illocutionary act used by Moana as one of the main characters in Moana movie scripts. Scope of the study. Scope and limitation of the research. In order to make the analysis does not go far from the topic. The researchers limits the analysis focus to what being focus. This thesis will be focus of utterances of Moana as one of main characters show speech acts in the Moana movie scripts. This research deals with kind of illocutionary act of Shirley classification and perlocutionary act of Moana as one of the main characters in Moana movie scripts. Then theoretical and research framework. The first is pragmatics. Study about the meaning of the language will be closely between two branches of language science, semantics and pragmatics. Whereas those branches deal with the meaning of the language and they are totally different. Yule stated semantics is the study of relationship between linguistic form and entities in the word. That is how the word literally connect to thing. The second, speech act. We have known that language is inseparable part of human life. It is the particular tool of communication to convey thought, opinion, message, and etc. etc. In specific situations, we need to understand about the language deeply. That's why language become widely discussion among of sciences. Speech Act was originally by philosopher G. L. Austin and developed by John R. Searle Austin, stated in his book in which by saying or saying something we are doing something. It indicates that is utterance that is states there is action that perform according Searle. A language is performing speech acts such as making requests, statements, giving comments, and etc. The third type of speech act that isolates three basic senses in which in saying something one is doing something. In this condition, there are three basic kinds of acts performed in speech: locutionary acts, illocutionary acts, and perlocutionary acts. And the fourth about movie. Movie is defined as a motion picture considered especially as a source of entertainment or as an art from Webster III, a new international dictionary. Furthermore, people watch the movie is not just for entertainment but also we can get the lesson from the movie. And then the research framework you can see the on the screens like this. And then method of the research. The first, research design. In the study, researcher use library research design with qualitative approach. Qualitative approach to research is concerned with subjective assessment of attitudes, opinions, and behavior. Research in such a situation is a function of researchers' insight and impression. And the second, data collection techniques. In collecting the data, the researcher do some steps. There are watching the Moana movie and try to understand the story well, read the movie script and that focus on the dialogues, determine and classify the data into the types of illocutionary act based on Searle classification used by Moana as the one of the main character in Moana movie script are representative, directives, commissive, expressive, and declaratives. And the third, data analysis techniques. First, identification step. The researcher identified the data was collected from the dialogue in script. From the identified, researchers categorize the data into types of illocutionary acts from Moana movie scripts. The researcher defined appropriate and omitted an inappropriate utterance from the data above. Describe and analyze the chosen utterance, which include types of illocutionary acts and perlocutionary acts from Moana movie script. Then, after the researchers have done on the step above, the writer made the conclusion and suggestion based on the data of analysis. And then domain analysis, taxonomy analysis, componential analysis, cultural theme analysis. And here the result of my analysis. The first is declarative. You can see the quote words like when I want us to go back. The words I want us refer to declarative. The second imperative like hey, stay. Take out, take a, restore the heart. And the third interrogative, can't you at least try? Cannot you shift shape or something? Fourth, personal, I am Moana of Montu Nui. She says 10 times. I'm self-taught. And the five, representational, this cave has both. The heart is in the heuristic. Why are you waging wired? What is the place? And the seven, interactional, thank you. I'm about your hook. Yes. And the conclusion, after analyzing the movie and the research result, there are two conclusions to answer the researcher's questions. The first research question is what categories of speech function are usually used by the main characters in Moana movie. For the result, there are 7 speech function categories in Halliday speech function theory. There are instrumental, regulatory, representational, interactional, personal, heuristic, and imaginative function. Well, in this research, there are 5 function categories used by Moana. There are regulatory, representational, interactional, personal, and heuristic. Whereas there are 6 speech function categories used. Then, the second conclusion is related to the second research question, namely what are the differences in category use Moana. From the data analysis was 5 function categories used Moana. There are regulatory, representational, interactional, personality, and heuristic function. Meanwhile, the Moana use representational as the third function, while Maui use regulatory as third function. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.